In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF by email from Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll know two straightforward ways to share your document right from Acrobat. Using the Share button and using the Send File by Email button. Before we begin, make sure your PDF is open in Acrobat Pro DC. You are connected to the internet, and your preferred email application or webmail account is set up on your computer. That way everything works smoothly when Acrobat hands off the file. Let's start with the Share button method. With your PDF open, look to the top right corner of Acrobat for the Share button. It's the little person icon. Click it to open Acrobat's sharing options. Here, you'll see choices to share a link or to attach the actual file to an email. A link is great if you want others to view or comment without sending a large attachment, while attaching the file is best when you need the full PDF delivered directly to the inbox. Next, select the email icon. Acrobat will let you choose your default desktop email application, like a mail client you already use or a webmail service, such as a browser-based email, if your goal is to send the file as an attachment instead of a link. Look for the Attach to Email option in the dialog and toggle or select it. That ensures Acrobat passes the full PDF along rather than just a link. From there, enter the recipient's email address and send. Take a quick moment to double-check the address and your subject line so the message is clear and easy for the recipient to find later. Now, let's look at the second route. The Send File by Email button. With the PDF open, head again to the top right toolbar and click the envelope icon labeled Send File by Email. When you click it, Acrobat brings up a dialog box that allows you to select the email application you want to use. This method is a quick shortcut if you are confident you want to email the file right away and prefer to jump straight into your chosen mail app. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.